I know there must be many other creators out there that are trying to create content with limited space and limited budget. So today I'm going to tell you my top 5 reasons why I decided to purchase this particular bi-color LED light kit.
Keeps burning, we're inviting the night in.
Welcome everyone, my name is Sean. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you enjoy this content, please remember to hit that like button. So I'm not a fancy YouTuber, I don't have a dedicated studio, I just shoot these videos in my living room after I get off work. So I have limited space, limited time, very poor lighting indoor to try to shoot these videos. Up until very last video, I was using my old softbox from when I was doing photography. It's bulky, it's heavy, and it produces a lot of heat. Also, it's not very convenient to try to quickly set it up and tear it down. So I was looking for something that would be portable, easy to set up, produce quality light without producing a lot of heat, and I think I finally found what I was looking for within my budget. So first, let's get started with the unboxing, and I'll tell you the top 5 reasons why I decided to purchase this kit. So this is it, guys. This is the NEEWER LED Photography Light Kit LED NL-660. It retails for $159.99. You actually get 2 light kits and 2 stands. I'm gonna do obviously an unboxing of one, and you just double everything you see here. Let's get started. So as you can see, you get this really nice carrying case that comes with it. So you will have 2 carrying cases, one for each of the lights. This feels like a really nice quality carrying case. Alright, we have the owner's manual. We have the light unit kit itself. We're going to take a look at it in a moment. We have the power adapter. Alright. So the light comes with 4 barn doors. They have 660 LED lights. Each will come with a diffuser, which is secured in place with 2 clips. There it is, guys. You are able to operate this with power or with batteries. This actually comes with 2 color LEDs. That's why it's called bicolor. And between the white and yellow, you get to control each of them with these dials available here. And that's how you can control the temperature anywhere from 3200 to 5600. So if you have any other lighting that you're trying to match, it's gonna work perfectly fine with that. Let's power it up and see how it looks. Once you plug it in, you get to choose if you would like to use the power adapter or the batteries. So in case if you have the batteries, which by the way, they're not included, you get to choose not to drain the batteries and only use the power. So let's go ahead, dim these lights down and fire it up. For how well the camera will pick these up, but I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. So I have all the white lights off and I am operating the yellows. And in between I have the whites. And with the 2 combined, I get the ideal temperature I'm looking for. And this is at 100% brightness. There you have it, guys. So you will get 2 power adapters, 2 diffusers, 2 light kits, 660 LED with dimmable white and yellow barn doors, and 2 tripods. So I still need to tell you why I chose to buy this. So I'm gonna share my top 5 reasons why I got this light. Number 1 is portability. These lights are very light and very easy to set up and collapse. For me, since I don't have any dedicated studio, it's very convenient for me to try to set it up whenever I want and then tear it down very quickly. Number 2, the fact that these are LEDs, they don't produce any heat which makes it very convenient for me, especially compared to the old softbox I was using. It makes it very difficult. Number 3, bi-color dimmable LEDs. I have full control over the temperature and the amount of light I want to produce. When I'm shooting indoor, it can make it a little bit tricky because depending on the type of lights I have inside or how much light I'm getting from outside, it's going to be absolutely important for me to be able to set the temperature of the lights. Number 4, the accessories I get with this. You have the barn doors, you have the diffuser, you have the stands, and last but not least, number 5, the price. I get all of this for $159.99, basically $80 for each set of tripod, the light kit, barn doors, and diffuser. It is an absolutely amazing piece. I'm really glad that I went ahead and picked it up. Now for the first time, I'm using both lights about 3 feet from me at maybe 40% brightness. And this is the quality I'm getting. I'm personally really happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Thanks.
Heart so full, I'm devoted.